Hello Linux enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the age-old debate, Ubuntu or Arch Linux. Which one is right for you? Let's explore their differences and find out. Ubuntu, based on Debian, is a user-friendly Linux distribution that prioritizes accessibility and ease of use. It's like the friendly neighbor who invites you over for tea. Canonical Limited backs Ubuntu, providing official support. If you're a beginner or prefer a stable, out-of-the-box experience, Ubuntu is your go-to choice. Arch Linux takes a different approach. It's a minimalist, community-driven distribution built from scratch. Imagine a blank canvas waiting for your artistic touch. Arch users often say, "You'll learn so much more about Linux." If you enjoy tinkering, customization, and want complete control over your system, Arch is your playground. Ubuntu's installation process is like following a well-marked trail. It provides a graphical installer that holds your hand throughout. Choose your language, keyboard layout, and installation type. Beginners appreciate the simplicity. Plus, Ubuntu comes with pre-configured desktop environments, e.g., GNOME, so you can start using your system immediately. Arch Linux takes the road less traveled. Its installation process is command-line based, akin to assembling furniture from IKEA without instructions. You manually set up partitions, install packages, and configure the system. It's not for the faint-hearted, but it's a fantastic learning experience. And the best part? You build your system from scratch, like a digital Lego set. Ubuntu is the friendly neighbor who lends you a cup of sugar when your recipe calls for it. It excels in hardware compatibility. Most devices work seamlessly out of the box. Whether you're using an old laptop or a shiny new desktop, Ubuntu's got your back. It's the plug-and-play experience you've always wanted. Arch Linux is the minimalist artist who starts with a blank canvas. Its base is minimalistic, which means you choose what to add. While this gives you incredible flexibility, it also requires manual configuration for specific hardware. If you're a power user who wants control over every detail, Arch is your creative studio. Ubuntu's package management revolves around apt, Advanced Package Tool. It's like having a personal shopper who brings you everything you need from a massive supermarket. The software repository is vast, and updates are stable and reliable. Need an app? Just head to the Software Center, and voila! Arch's package manager, Pacman, is like a ninja. It's fast, efficient, and doesn't waste time. Arch follows a rolling release model, which means you're always up to date. And if you're feeling adventurous, explore the Arch User Repository, AUR, for additional packages. Arch users love living on the bleeding edge. Ubuntu's community is like a bustling town square. It's large, diverse, and welcoming. You'll find extensive documentation, active forums, and official support from Canonical. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned user, there's a place for you here. Arch users form a tight-knit tribe. They're passionate about their distro, like members of an exclusive club. The Arch Wiki is their sacred text, a goldmine of information. If you seek answers, dive into the forums or join an IRC channel. Just remember, it's not the size of the community, it's the fire in their hearts. So, which distro wins? It depends on you. If you want an easy, stable experience, go for Ubuntu. If customization, learning, and control excite you, Arch Linux awaits. Remember, both have their strengths. Try both, explore, and find your Linux soulmate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Linux content. Until next time, happy distro hopping!